I'm gonna read a story for Rome. Chapter 1. Spot finds a key. Spot was playing in the garden. He saw something shining on the garden path. "What's that?" he said. "It's a key. Perhaps it's a key to the garden shed," said a bird. "Let's see," said Spot. He tried to put the key in the lock of the garden shed, but it was too small. "Dad might know where the key comes from," said Spot. "Here he is, I'll ask him," but Sam was in a hurry. "Sorry, Spot, I can't stop now. I'm looking for something." "Oh well," said Spot. "I'll try indoors. Perhaps it's the key to Mom's jewelry box." Spot tried the key in the lock of Sally's jewelry box, but it was too big. "I'll ask Mom," said Spot. "Mom, do you know what?" Sally didn't stop to listen. "Sorry, Spot, I must go and help Dad. I'll be back in a minute." "Perhaps it's the key to the desk," thought Spot. Try to put the key in the lock of the desk. The key was the right size, but it wouldn't turn. "This game is fun. Where else shall I try? Perhaps it's the key to the kitchen cupboard." He put the key in the lock of the cupboard. It was the right size and turned the lock, but it didn't open. "Oh," said Spot, disappointed. "What else can there be? Hello, I wonder why Dad's left his toolbox on the floor. Now that's got a lock." Spot put the key in the lock of the toolbox. It's the right size and it turns and it opens the toolbox. "Dad," said Spot, "I found the key of the toolbox." "Well done," said Spot. "Well done, Spot," said Sally. "That is clever," said Sam, "because we didn't even tell you what we were looking for." Spot's favorite toy. Chapter 2. Spot and Tom were in the garden playing with Spot's ball. "I think my ball is my favorite toy," said Spot. Just then it started to rain. "Let's go indoors," said Spot. "Mom, can we play indoors?" "Of course," said Sally, "but you can't play with the ball inside the house, Spot. You'll have to find another toy to play with." Spot and Tom went to Spot's room. Spot picked up his crane. "Now this is my favorite toy," he said. Tom was looking in the toy box. He found Spot's cars. "Can we play with the cars, Spot?" he asked. "They're my favorite." "Mine too. Come on, let's race them." Spot's car won the race. Tom's car won the second race, and in the third race the cars went so far they hit the cupboard with a big bang. "Mind the furniture, boys," called Sally. "I've got to go now," said Tom. "See you tomorrow, Spot." Spot was sorry to see Tom leave. "Now what shall I play with?" thought Spot when Tom had gone. "I know my building blocks." "Helen's here," called Sally. "Hello, Helen," said Spot. "Help me build a tower with my building bricks. They're my favorite toy." "Mine too," said Helen. "Let's see how high we can make it." As Helen placed a brick on the top, the tower wobbled. Spot tried to hold it. Crash! Spot and Helen and the bricks landed on the floor in a heap. "It's time to go," said Helen. "Bye, Spot." "It's bath time, Spot," said Sally. "That's good," said Spot. "I can play with my boat. It is my favorite toy. After your bath, you must put all your toys away before you go to bed." So Spot had his bath and tidied his toys away and went to bed. "Did you put all your toys away, Spot?" asked Sally. "Yes, Mom. All except Teddy. He's in bed with me. He really is my favorite toy." So that made Om very sleepy, and He's going to sleep now. Thank you for watching our videos. Like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.